is Natalia. I'm Sophia. She's been on my channel before in our Get Ready With Us. We did it at school. It's very fun. Go watch.
I'm wearing the exact same thing, so... Thanks for watching.
Tune in next time.
Bro. Just got chill. Dude!
Today we're doing Bob Ross painting tutorials. We're jumping onto the trend very late. About a year late. But it's okay. It's all good. It's all good.
It's fine.
We don't know which one we're doing yet. But neither of us are painters.
Facts.
Okay, we're gonna get into it.
Let's go.
Okay, so we've selected Bob Ross Bridge to Autumn, season 31, episode 7. That's a lot of seasons. How do you feel?
I feel very nervous. I hope this turns out okay. I hope that you can tell that it's autumn.
Okay, so we have our brushes and my palette. And we each have these. I don't know what they're made of, but I found them in my art room, so we're using them. Water. We have very fancy palette knives. And we're gonna figure out what colors we need to use. So here's our beautiful little paints. We tried our best to match Bob, but we'll see how we did.
We're not professionals.
Okay, let's get started.
And here we have
I am Bob Ross. So we're gonna follow Bob to the best of our abilities.
and hope for the best.
Cut an 18 by 24 inch
18 by 24 inch
canvas and cover the entire canvas with a very thin coat of liquid white, so it's wet.
covered with liquid white. Ours is not.
No.
So let's just take an old 2-inch brush and start off here and have a little fun. We'll start with a little touch of the bright red.
The red.
A little bit of
Oh no! You spent that too much.
No. Mine's so orange.
Same.
Oh, dude.
Nice. Is it if it gets on the table?
Yeah.
Okay. I got too much water.
We also realized that Bob uses oil paints, we're pretty sure, and these are acrylic paints.
Nothing close to each other at all.
We also don't have the brushes that Bob used or the exact colors. It's fine. I'm so sorry, Bob.
We could have bought one of those Bob Ross things, but
We
that's
should have
money.
done that, huh?
That's money though.
But whatever. I'm going to be going in with iPhone shots throughout the video. So here's where we are. And here's where Bob is. Looks pretty much the same.
Yeah, I don't see a difference at all.
Not even a little bit.
No, it's like a carbon copy.
Pretty much. Okay, this is our color. There's Bob's. It honestly looks pretty similar.
Sick.
I have high hopes.
I'm nervous.
and you just
I'm nervous.
quickly where you want to start and off you go. Maybe there's a happy little tree that's right there. And all we're looking for is just very, very basic shapes. We're not looking for a lot of detail.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Okay, fork it. Let's go.
Oh no.
No.
And the sap green. Mix the paint here with paint thinner until it's very thin. Very, very thin. Turn the bristles in there.
We do not have paint thinner.
We have water.
We'll go up here and you just sort of, these leaves that it has here. There. It's all there is to it. If you have trouble making the paint slide, add a little more paint thinner. If you have enough paint thinner, it'll slide right over the top of that thicker paint. Very, very easy. Okay.
So Bob's going in with his fall colors. So we're gonna, here's our current masterpieces. We're going in with the fall colors now, so wish us luck. Here's what I have. Doing great.
Just tap a little right into the brush. And maybe right in here. We'll put a few little trees, bushes. There. A little closer, a little darker.
I thought we were done with trees.
Just to help push everything back. Create that illusion of distance. There, we'll just let it fade off. We don't care where they go over there.
I'm trying, Bob.
Oh. Just got blue over my finger. That's cute.
Checking in. Here's Bob's. Here's mine. And here's Natalia's. We're doing really good. I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, let's just not attain it. There. The lighter color. And sometimes you can take
Bob is doing what he calls a bridge, but it looks like a house. And I'm gonna do one. Natalia's not.
I'm too scared. I don't want to make it worse than it already is.
So. Oh no. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay. Something about that, yeah. Now I'm going to very gently, just enough to pull the paint a little bit. Move it just enough, like that.
Obviously, it's going very well. It pretty much looks exactly like Bob's.
I can't tell a difference.
So you guys can look forward to seeing a lot more painting tutorials on my channel. Because clearly I have a gift.
More of the brown and white here. Didn't mix up enough.
That looks
Just gotta
cool.
figure out where the room
Yeah.
is. It comes out here. There we are. See? Oh, room's just coming. Coming. get bigger and bigger.
Oh no.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're
That's
good.
my bush.
Barely touch it. It's like putting snow in the mouth. No pressure.
Oh
Moving,
no.
no
That's
pressure.
my bush.
No pressure for later.
Yes.
Pulling a true YouTuber coming to you live from my dorm room MacBook camera. Here's my painting. I corrupted all of the outro footage, so I'll upload now a picture of Bob's piece and then mine and Natalia's, so you can see our final pieces. Anyways, that's all I've got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.